Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a eyebrow tinted fiber gel by Milani. This is in soft brown. I just wanted to tell you guys that I did this eyebrow already. Now you guys can see how this one has it doesn't have very many, it's not full here. It needs to be shaded in there. I'm gonna see if this actually does work and how it looks. I've never tried an eyebrow tint fiber gel. So you know what? Let's just go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. It's a mascara. That's what it looks like. It's a mascara. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in, and you guys are going, why does the wand look funky like that? Why are the fibers coming off the wand? Oh, okay, that's weird. Hold on. Fiber gel? That was weird. Okay, so it's oh, what am I thinking? Fiber gel? Well, of course it's going to have fiber in it. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, sorry. I'm multitasking this morning. So can you see this? It looks kind of funny. So the fibers are like tiny little cat hairs. They look like white. Yeah, tiny little cat hairs that when they get into the formula, you can't see them as much. Weird. Okay. No, you can't see that. Okay, let's just go ahead and let's just dive right in and see. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pull you closer to me. So, you see this one's already shaped and perfected. Let's go ahead and try this. And let's cross our fingers that this actually does well. It feels wet. That's all it feels. Let's see, I'm going to go with the tip of it to see if I can shade it in a little bit. And dip in a little bit more. It would be nice if I didn't have to do my brows and I could just run this through it. Does it look fuller, guys? I'm going to push you back. Guys, I really don't see a difference. It still looks like I need to fill in there. To me, they just look a little wet and shiny. They're they're shiny. And I don't see a difference. Let me just go ahead and run my finger through it and yeah, you get a tiny bit of color. Look at that. Yeah, I mean, it is a lightweight gel, I guess you could say, but you see, okay, where's not much color, right? Okay, let's just go in with my actual powder that I do my eyebrows and see, I'm going to just do that one corner and see, did it fill in more than I thought it did? Maybe I'm just not, I don't know. Let's just see. Okay, so this is how I typically fill in my brow there. I make the line. Obviously, if you can see that line, it's not filled in as much. I don't know, I'll fix that later. Anyways, I filled in the corner. That's how it's supposed to be. I didn't see, I mean, look, so you can see how it's still darker here and it's light. I really don't think that this did absolutely anything for my eyebrows. No, I'm going to give this a total thumbs down. I'm sorry, Milani, but I don't see anything. So this sucker is going back to Walgreens because they have a fantastic return policy. And I'm just going to tell the lady, I'm sorry, but this is not working for me. And, I mean, you tell me, did you see a difference? I really didn't see a difference. I really was kind of disappointed. I like how my brow looks when I set it with just some powder. And that one, I had to fill it in. Look at the big difference with me just filling it in. And you can see still it's sporadic that it's, not filled in like it should be. Anyways, so this Milani Easy Brow Tint Gel, Fiber Gel, is going to be a thumbs down for me. I'm sorry, but it's going to be a thumbs down. If you guys really enjoyed this video and like me doing these close-up videos like this of my eyes and my eyebrows, let me know in the comment section down below. And please hit that subscribe button, hit that little tiny bell next to it, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.